with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious chicken soup with lots of veggies. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious chicken soup with veggies, these are my ingredients. Half a cup of rice, uncooked rice, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 2 garlic cloves, 2 bay leaves, 2 potatoes, 2 zucchinis, 2 carrots, 3 sticks of celery, 1/4 of an onion, cauliflower, chicken, cilantro, and water. This is everything you need to enjoy a delicious chicken soup made at home with lots of love. So let's get started. Of course, waking up my garlic cloves. I have 3 garlic cloves that I'm going to smash so that it's very easy to remove the skin. And now I have my 3 bay leaves, my 3 garlic cloves, my chicken bouillon, and I have a huge chicken breast, bone in. I am going to use it because I really want the bone of the chicken to really release the flavor into this amazing chicken soup with veggies. Remember, when you only use white meat, it doesn't really give too much flavor. But if you have bone in chicken breast, use it. Take the advantage of the flavor of the bone of the chicken. And here I am going to put it here, and I am ready. Let me show you. I have the 3 garlic cloves, the 3 bay leaves. I have the chicken breast with this huge bone in, and of course I have the chicken bouillon. On the stove I have a pot with hot water. I'm going to add my bay leaves, my garlic cloves. I'm going to add the chicken, and I am going to leave it here until it starts making the foam right on the top. While this is cooking in medium heat, I'm going to continue with my veggies. Remember, use the veggies that your family really love. So here I have 2 zucchinis that I'm going to cut in little squares. Remember, as much veggies as you want. I have 1/4 of an onion to give the soup an amazing flavor. Put it aside. I have celery, 3 sticks of celery. The celery really gives the soup an amazing flavor. So add it, don't omit it. Add it, you're going to love the flavor of your chicken soup. Of course, I have my cauliflower, and I want it bite size, so I am going to be very careful and just cut it through the center and then put it aside. Look at this. Of course, the carrots, I'm going to remove the edges, take the skin off, and then cube it in small little pieces. Remember that the carrot takes a little more to cook, a little more time to cook. So that I'm going to add first with the onion and the celery. But this is done. Now I have my potatoes. Before I continue, let's go to the stove. Look at this. It's getting nice and hot. It's going to start bubbling and bringing all the foam to the top. And now I'm ready to continue with the potatoes. I am going to peel the potatoes, making sure I take all those little spots out. And then I am ready to cube it. Remember that the potato cooks very fast. Especially if you cube it, it's going to cook really fast, maybe like 5 minutes, and your potato will be nice and soft. Don't overcook your veggies. This is very important. Do not add all your veggies into the pot in the same time. because the veggies need to be almost al dente. The potatoes are ready. I'm going to put them in water so that they do not start browning. You really want your potatoes to be nice and hydrated. So I'm going to leave them here in the water soaking. Look at this. I have all my veggies ready. I have 1 cup or half a cup of rice. I have all the veggies nice and cubed. And of course the potatoes in water. And now let's go to the stove. All that foam from the top we're going to remove. Of course, do not remove your bay leaves. You want the bay leaves to really release all those flavors into the soup. So once you remove all the foam, you're ready to add your chicken bouillon. I'm going to add the celery, the onion, and the carrots. I am going to just mix away. I'm going to leave it here until it starts boiling, because remember, when you add veggies, the temperature goes down, and that's exactly what you know. So now I added the rice. It started already boiling. You could even see the little specks of the rice boiling. Look at this. You see the little pieces of the rice just floating. So that's an indication that your rice is getting cooked. It's getting already fluffy. It's going to get nice and fluffy. And this is the best time to continue by adding your next veggie. I'm adding the potatoes. The temperature went down. I am going to leave the potatoes there until it starts boiling one more time. This is the technique so that all your veggies are al dente and they're not overcooked. Look at this. When the potato is still a little al dente, then you're ready to add your zucchini. Incorporate it really good into the soup. Once incorporated, because we're not going to mix anymore, we're adding our cauliflower. The temperature went down. We're going to leave it there until it starts boiling. Once it starts boiling, then you're ready to turn off the stove, and always enjoy your veggies al dente. Look at this. Remember, you add as much chicken bouillon as you want or salt. You decide. Once it's boiling, turn it off. You could already see the rice nice and cooked, nice and fluffy. So let's turn it off and let's start preparing the presentation plate. But before we do that, I am going to chop away some cilantro because I want to top my soup with a little bit of cilantro right on the top to give it that earthy and delicious flavor. And I'm ready to prepare my plate. Look at this. All those veggies, a little bit of the chicken on the top, a lot of soup. And of course, look at this. My cilantro, my plate with the rice right on the bottom. The rice makes the soup really nice and a little thick. All that little juices, a little bit of cilantro, and I'm ready to enjoy. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing chicken soup with lots of veggies. Let me tell you, this is the part I love and enjoy. I added a little bit of the cilantro right on the top to give it that earthy flavor. But let's taste and let's see how all these amazing ingredients came out. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. Really delicious. This chicken soup is really delicious, healthy, with lots of veggies. All the veggies are still al dente, even the cauliflower. Look at this. Just amazing. Don't overcook your veggies. You still want them al dente. If you liked and love this amazing chicken soup, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing chicken soup made at home with lots of love. So see you soon. Bye-bye.